still profitable in 2024. In this video, I will show you how to use Shopify. I'll also show you how to add your own products on Shopify. With Shopify, you can still make money with your dropshipping business. But first of all, if you want to get access with Shopify's 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this CQ video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. Now, let me show you how to add your own products here on Shopify. So you're going to go here to products, just click here to products. Under product feature, you can able to add your own product. Not only that, but you can also import existing products. If you have existing product, you can also import them here. But now let me show you how to add your own products on Shopify. I'm going to click here at the add product. Now it's going to take me to this page. This is whereby that you can able to add your product. You have to put the title of the product that you want to sell here. Okay, just put the title. It can be short sleeve t-shirt for men, any title there. Then you're gonna use this description. You have to write a product description, but now I like to use this AI feature from Shopify, which can write any product description, but you have to put some relevant keywords based on the product that you want to sell here. Okay, just put some relevant keywords. Then for the tone of voice, so for the tone, I'm going to use an expert, and I'm going to click here to generate. Then now this AI tool, it is done writing content for me automatically. I can generate it again. If I don't like the content, I'm just going to keep it. You can make the paragraph longer. It depends on you. Then you can go to media. Under media, you can able to upload the images of the product and also the videos of the products in your Shopify store. Then after that, you can also go to category. Under category, you can able to choose relevant category based on the product that you want to sell on Shopify. Okay, then now we're gonna go to pricing. Under pricing on Shopify, you can able to set to price the price that you want to charge your customers here. Just put the price there, and then for the cost per item, it means that how much it is costing you to purchase this product in your supplier. Maybe you are using AliExpress to buy this product. You're gonna put the cost per item here. Shopify is gonna show you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins that you'll be making whenever a customer buy a product in your Shopify store. Guys, take a look at this one. You can have 45%, 48% margins. Then for the shipping, you can just put the physical. You can also put the weight of the product there. And then what you can do, this is how you can able to add your own product on Shopify. Now, what you need to do, you can save it. Then now we can go to collections. Under collections on Shopify, it allows you to see how many collections that you have in your Shopify store. Okay, you can also check the purchase orders and also the transfer. You can also do some gift cards on Shopify. Now, when you go here to customers, under customers, you can able to see the customers' details, customers who purchased from you and stuff like that. You can able to see all of those things. Okay, now you can also go to analytics on Shopify. Analytics is going to help you to track on how your store it is performing based on specific days, based on specific months. You can also check the total orders that you have on specific days. You can also go to online store. You can also check online store conversion rate to see how your store it is performing. If you are getting 100 people in your store, if you are getting 12% conversion rate, you can just do that to make decision if your store it is performing or not. You can also check the total orders in your store. You can also check the top selling products. If you're selling multiple products in your Shopify store, you can also check those top selling products. You can also check the returning customer rate. You can check all of those things. Okay, you can also check marketing. When you go here to marketing, you can also do some email marketing on Shopify. Email marketing, it allows you to send email follow-ups on your customers who went through on the checkout but they never purchased. You can send them emails to remind them about the products that you are selling in your Shopify store so that you can buy. Then you can also offer some discounts, especially on holidays. You can offer 25% discounts. 5% discount is going to help you to increase more orders in your Shopify store. Then you can also go to online store. Online store is this is whereby that you can able to check all of these done for you themes from Shopify, that you can just import them straight away into your own Shopify store, guys. Okay, that's how it is. You can be profitable. You can also make money using Shopify, guys. Okay, in a Shopify store. Remember, if you want to get an access to Shopify 30-day free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube.